As today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know if someone follows me on Instagram. It's simple and easy. All I need to do first is to have an Instagram account. So if I don't have an Instagram account, if you don't have an Instagram account, all you need to do, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android, or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to your account to create an account. If you do have an account, just go log in and let's get straight to Instagram. So if you want to see if someone follows you on Instagram, you have of course two options. The first option, just go and click on the heart icon on the top right corner. So if someone followed you, it will appear here on your activity. Like here on this three notifications here should appear there. But let's say, for example, you are famous, many people likes your posts or comment on your post, so you are not able to see who followed you exactly. All you need to do, just go here and click at the bottom right corner at your profile picture. Then all you need to do, just go and click at followers, and here you will find the people that following you. As you can see, if you scroll down, you will find everyone following you, and of course at following you will find the people that you followed. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.